So today we're going to be repairing the 70s thrift store doll, or Barbie. The reason I have this is because her head is wobbly and we're going to teach us about that. So I'm going to turn the camera. Okay. Oh, stay. This is why I don't. Now, we're going to first take her head off. As you can see, it's wobbly. Okay, so I'm not as good because I was watching a video and I'm trying to get this to be straight up. As you can see, it's very wobbly, like her neck peg is broken. It's not really going. Right now it's not going smoothly as I expected. I'm bad at this as heck. Well, while we do this, let's give her head a nice wash. We just try to get a little bit to tie around them to make sure. So we're repairing like a 1979 Barbie doll. Or 1978. Probably my second most vintage because I have a Malibu Barbie. Give it a nice wash. The hair. We're not giving her a trim because I have a way of doing Barbie doll's hair. Make it a little more powerful. We're gonna let the water drain because my sink is halfway clogged. What else? Yeah, poop. Okay, we're gonna let it drain. Okay. So now, while we wait, I'm gonna try to get the neck peg to be fixed. Okay, so here I go. We're starting with one twist. Another twist. Open. Almost got it through. And one more twist. This takes hours and hours to do. So I'm trying to twist it and open it up. Now I'll hold it up while I put this one over. Okay, so I tried the best I could. Now I get switch our hair and let it dry. Squeezing it. And put the head back on. Okay, then. Now, there's some back. Now, I go to my room to dress her. So my phone is running on low batteries for right now. This dress is ripped. So, we're going to make her a beautiful bride. I think these are one of the Hispanic Barbie dolls. Okay. No, it's not working. You know what? So we're going to do something else. This isn't really working now. So we're just going to put like a top here. Actually, this one. This actually is pretty. We're not going to just put a top on. So I tried fixing the broken neck and it did not move so well when I turned it back. Okay, I'm just almost getting the outer on. Look at that. And this is her. She looks more beautiful than before.